Hey, who is that? It's Ramya. Let me call her.
Hello?
Hey, is that you? Near the pool?
Yes, it is me.
Hey, you're looking
Where are
really
you?
beautiful. You can't see
Oh
me?
my god, this is a state. No, I can't see you. Where are you?
Look to your right.
Yeah, I'm looking to my right. I
You
couldn't
see like
find you.
the lamppost? Just look above that.
Lamppost. I
Yeah.
see you.
You see me?
Yeah, I see you.
I just want to say that I'm grateful my sister is being accepted in such a good family. Like Vicky and her mom and all the relatives are so good. They accepted us.
அவங்க இங்க வரல மேல போட்டுக்கோ
నిన్నే కలిసిన క్షణమే మరిచిపోలే నీ జ్ఞాపకమే.
So this all happened 1 year ago. We were only like virtually talking with each other for like almost 6 months, and then one day we decided to meet. You look a little bit nervous. Why?
I'm getting married to you, of course. I will be nervous.
పుటనే ఓ పరిచయమే పరిణయమై ఏడడుగులు నడిచిన క్షణమే.
I got a request from him, and that's where it all started. I still don't know. I just feel like he just came into my life as a gift, something that I needed. It's like a blessing.
సాక్ష్యంగా నిలవాలి ఇరువురము ఒకటే మాటే.
So this is a typical Tamil Telugu wedding, and you know it is filled with all these different rituals from different cultures, and it's actually filled with a lot of fun.
Just I opened my eyes, and there is him, like my dream come true. I think I get emotional. When I first met him, I was not sure if he's going to be the one or not. I was like, I have to meet this person more often to know more about him and how we'll be compatible together and everything. But with time, I think in the second meeting itself, I liked him so much. No, I wanted a public proposal, but not in terms of engagement like a family thing. I wanted I don't know what's happening around me, and then he'll just walk with the ring and like I just wanted in that, and it didn't happen. So now it hurts me.
పరిచయమే పరిణయమై ఏడడుగులు నడిచిన క్షణమే. ఈ బంధం శాశ్వతమని సంతకమే చేసాములే.
Since childhood, me and my sister have like Tom and Jerry kind of relationship. We used to fight for every small thing. We used to fight for chocolates. We used to fight for remotes. I like to tease her a lot. Like even though I don't like something, I just say I want it just because she gets angry.
Vicky's a very nice person, very kind-hearted. He's gonna be a very great husband. Vicky, I told all the 3 things.
What did you tell?
Whatever you told me to say.
No, I didn't say anything. You
No,
can
he
say
really
whatever
said
you
that.
want.
You're gonna shoot a video. You only tell the good things about me. Don't say anything bad. He's really a very good person. Very sweet. I'm very lucky to have him.
I'm clapping for myself. She's also a lovely person, and she's very emotional, you know. something too big. She wants to live in the moment. Family is very important for her. Yeah, very simple, nice. I think perfect match for me. Going to get married, no? Little bit of nervousness will be there. New start. I mean, I've known her for like a year now, but getting married and going to live the rest of my life with her. So mixed feeling, very happy, nervous. Always wanted her to be happy with me.
And I think he's like my perfect match. Like, you know how fingers fit into each other, he's just like that. And I don't think I could have asked anything better than this.
माङ्गल्यं तन्तुनानेन मम जीवन हेतुना कण्ठे बध्नामि शुभगे त्वं जीव शरद
Now she's gonna have like a big family, which we always wanted, and she's getting a lot of love here. So I'd say I'm very grateful for that, and I'm very happy. After my mom and dad passed away, right? She's the one who took care of me. She's the one who was with me. I miss my parents. I wish they were here. They would be very happy seeing all this. I hope they're proud. And all the best to both of them.
तन्तुनानेन मम जीवन हेतुना कण्ठे बध्नामि शुभगे त्वं जीव शरद
Yeah, I'm like very grateful to have Ramya in my life, and yeah, I know for a fact I could not have ended with someone better. So yeah, she's the best.
He listens to me and he puts efforts to do things, even if he has done something right, but I didn't feel it is right. He listens to me and he modifies it just to make me happy. So that's the best thing about him. He never goes against me no matter what, and I just love him.
Yeah, 2 countries, 2 states, 2 different cultures, 2 different languages. But yeah, it's one single love. I love you, baby. I love you.